Hi, my name is Leonard. I'm with Carmex Precision Tools. I'm an applications engineer as well as the Western Regional Manager. We're here at the WESTEC show, and I would like to give you a quick tour of the tools we're showcasing here today. So first off, today we're going to highlight our thread turning tools. And as you can see, there's a lot of variations of the tools that we provide. First off, we have our HBA, which is good to cut any material with nickel, hardened materials up to 62 Rockwell. We also have our mini tools, which are for ID, and they come in all kinds of different various geometries and different functions, such as face grooving, threading, front turning, and back turning. We also provide some grooving tools that come in various sizes and grades, and they're for ID and OD. We have some tiny tool holders for our Swiss type machines, which come in all kinds of various sizes and functions also. With that being said, here's a closer look at all kinds of different geometries and different tools that we provide for our tiny tool line. This tiny tool display gives us a good illustration of from start to finish and what this tool is capable of doing. We also provide tools for miniature threading, ID miniature threading, because when you're cutting an ID hole, it's not what the tool that we want to use, it's the tool that fits in the hole. These are our 06 and our 08 ID threading inserts, and as you can see, they're very small, they're for miniature threads. Back to our tiny tool, these are just different holders that our tiny tools can fit into. We also have our Swiss line, which comes in our polygon, our Swiss line, and our G6, which of course polygon's two-sided, our Swiss line's 3, and our G6 has 6 cutting edges. These all come in our blue coating. They have performed well in aluminum to A286 material. This is our external coolant holder, as you can see, where the blue lines represent the coolant flow. Right here is probably the most important thing. This is my Carmex turning grade cheat sheet. It's two-sided and it has all the tools that we provide for our lathe. And very important, our turning grades. We have a lot of grades, but these are our 3 most important ones. Our BMA is a general purpose, made for all materials up to about 45 Rockwell. Our blue is for stainless steel and titanium up to 55 Rockwell. And our HBA is high temperature nickel alloys and hardened materials up to 62. We also provide PCD and CBN tip tools, as well as quick change holders, tap-toe holders. We have a wide variety of thread mills. This is our MT, which is a full thread, and it's programmed from the bottom up. Next, we have our pipe threads. They come in different styles and all kinds of variations depending on the thread form that you need to cut. Here is our SR indexable system. It takes 1 insert. It comes in various sizes and grades. Next, we have our deep reach mill thread. It's made for those applications where a standard length of cut will not work. Next, we have our helical spiral mill thread indexable system. Comes in all different variations to fit your application. This is our CMT vertical mill thread. And as you can see, the different functions, the different types of inserts to do different applications. This is another variation of our CMT vertical mill threading, and this is for slot grooving. We have our DMT, which drills, thread mills, and chamfers all in one tool. No pilot hole, it does it all for you. Next, I would like to introduce you to our FMT, which is our fast mill thread. It has our blue coating, which runs well in titanium and stainless in materials up to 55 Rockwell, and it has coolant through. And last, we have our end mill line. This is not a new line to Carmex, but just recently we have expanded it to fit more lengths, sizes, diameters, and flutes. They come in solid as well as indexable. And we have roughers as well as finishers. Thank you for sharing your time with me today as we went over Carmex Precision Tools product lines. And if you need any further information or technical application support, please call our office or visit our website.